Okay. Let's see. Oh god, that's gonna loop. Alright. Let's see, media ping. Let me just spam this in here. Now I haven't streamed in a while. I'm not sure if my bandwidth can handle me streaming and in Discord and on here, but you may as well try, because why not? Probably reduce it on Discord. Okay. Alrighty. It's been a good while, but we'll be back to streaming right now. Maybe I'll throw this in King Your Man Creations as well. Alright, let's get this stream on a roll. So alright, so today we're gonna be working on this funny horror game. I'll show what we have so far. I think we're gonna release at least a testable version, probably soon. The stream's current bitrate is higher than we recommend. We recommend 4,500. Nah, whatever. Hopefully it doesn't crash or anything. So, I guess I'll just kind of show off what we've got so far. So this is the fun pipe game. Select the difficulty. We'll go hard. Looks pretty detailed. Yeah, 89 threw together some build and stuff. So the loves and joys of a FNAF-esque system. We have our Pipe Man. Pipe Man is the man of the hour. He's trying to get to you. For what reason? I'm not sure. What'd you guys do to anger Pipe Man? That's the real question. Where'd he go? I have no clue where he is. But I don't like the fact that he's nowhere to be seen. Anyways. The premise of the game is you are trying to perform a demonic ritual to get the freaking thing out of your house. So of course, the first step is to scribble on the floor. Yes, scribble on the floor, guys. You know it. All good rituals start by scribbling on the floor. So now that we've created our ritual circle, we do need to go find the correct order. But I have a feeling he's gonna enter the room soon, so I'm gonna wait just a bit. Why is he baiting me? The minute I look in the cameras, he's gonna enter the room. And then I'm gonna be screwed. I swear. Oh well. Anyways. So oh shit, I'm out of here. Bye bye. Okay, he's gone. So following this, you need to check the cameras again. Inside the study room, there's a nice painting with an order. And you have to perform, you have to put the candles in the right order. Have I implemented that far? Have I implemented it that far? Nope. But that's pretty much what you do. So, put them in the right order, then you light the candles, and that's all. Yeah, I'll do a little touch up on Squid Game. There's a bug that I'm gonna fix regarding the effects, kill effects. So I'll get that fixed out, and I'll probably release any codes then while I'm in that studio. But I need to go do this first. So I got a commission. What's it called? A UI thing. So go grab that. Alrighty. Don't need a shop. I'm not implementing a shop yet, so I just need this little quest thing. Alrighty. Where is it? Where is it at? Do I disable? Nope. So where's fine in here? Oh, I'm stupid. Let's put this in core. Why not? So it just needs to tell you what exactly to do. The icon. I'm gonna ask if the icon can be white. And you get the icon that's white. Fix the RPG. Oh yeah. I need to correct that. I'll write that down. Whatever this will do for now. Let's just kind of put this at like 0. I'm not sure where I want this to be, because if we leave it here, right? Like the chat will block it up here. Down here is blocked by mobile. I could leave it like right here. Or maybe like right here. I think right here might be an interesting spot. We'll try this out. Is the index 0? And yeah. Let me just make sure that the scaling is correct. Looks about right. This scaling is actually incorrect, but we'll have to fix that. 0 and 0. Kind of skewed that out. Alright, well that fixed most of the scaling. Is this game coming out soon? Yep. I want to try to get a testable version done tonight, so that's kind of the goal. Looks like this will be fine for most devices. Hell, even VGA. Any Square device? Can I say Edward? Why? This is good enough. Alrighty. Now I'm just gonna use probably a different font for this. So in my tutorial book, what font do I use? This font is Permanent Marker. So probably use that instead. Alrighty. And I don't think I'll have the stroke, text stroke, transparency one. No, that looks kind of ugly. Well, I'll just add the UI stroke instead. Give it 2 instead. That's probably better. Alrighty. So with this out of the way, we can pretty much just write whatever we want in here. So this is step 1. And then we'll expand the description down a little bit. If I read this, can I say Squid Game is good? Squid Game is pretty good. Yeah, what is he trying to accomplish? Who knows? Man's on a mission. Alrighty. You go like this. I think it's fine. But I'm not sure if I want the stroke. That's the one thing I don't know if I want. What might be off-putting is the different colors. Yeah, that's what's going on. Because this one's faded and that one's not. Alrighty, let's get this thing in as well. So I also wanted to, in the what you call it, the study room. Anyways, this is how the game's actually made. We have a ton of poses, and they're all in folders. But I wanted to create a, under this thing, right? Under this, I wanted a proximity prompt. So proximity prompt, and then let's see, this is about, I'd say this is about like 20 away, and then this is just what's it called? Memorize pattern, right? And hold duration is like 20. So if I should be able to just play it and check the camera and then hit that up. Nope. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. It's based on player location. One globally, always shown. Let's see. Max activation distance. If I just set this, yeah, there we go. Alright. So if I leave the cameras again, yep, we're good. Not shown. So we'll do 999 and then require line of sight. Are you the real? Usually I can a good amount of inspiration from FNAF, but that's about it. Doors, yeah, the build style is kind of like Doors. Okay, let's get this thing randomized. So this is, we'll say,
I like the rustic build style.
yeah, rustic build style is good. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 second. Alright, so we'll name these. Just use numbers. It's pretty simple. And then we'll just scramble these. So, I think... What's it called? What did I do for these? There's some randomness that I did with this. I'm not entirely sure. Very good limited bag. Yes, 89 helped make all this stuff here. I'm gonna go really quickly into the server. So we need to randomize the let's see, color order. And we'll add a variable for this as well. So color order will just be this number in the string. So it'll be like 2 is equal to blue, dot 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 dot. To make this simpler for everyone, or for me, I'm gonna use a little corner cut, and we'll just always have red. Red will be the first, whatever, the first color, and everything else will always be different. So actually, we probably could just do anything. Who knows? Let's just make this. So valid colors probably as well. Red, blue, green, yellow, brown, pink. Green, yellow, brown, pink. Colors, clone. So we'll just clone these colors, right? And then we'll just say 4, and then let's see, this will be the order. And we'll just loop through the potential colors. Or I guess it would be just one number of potential colors, 2. And then we'll say order, and then the index is equal to table.remove. Potential colors, math.random, 1 number of potential colors. So this will just give us a random assortment of colors, and then we'll just return these colors. Alrighty, so in the game, right? After, probably in the function. Forgot to also implement this. I'll do that right now. Voted game mode, yep, and then difficulty. Voted game mode. I should probably change that later, but whatever. Handle order is equal to random color order. For underscore color, which is a string, in candle order. Do. So we have to change this painting, which, yeah, so this will be the study painting. And I probably should just assign these colors. Let's see. Take color 3 from RGB. Oh. There we go, just like that. 2, this is the blue. 3 is the green. 4 is the brown. 4 is the yellow for some bizarre reason. Okay. 5 is the brown. And then 6 is the pink. Whatever, beats me how these colors get transformed through neon. Alright. And now we'll just say, go to the painting, that's really it. Painting, so workspace dot paint study painting. We'll use the index. Right is equal dot color. It's equal to colors, candle, string to color, and then color. That means that when I just try running this actually won't work. Oh, it did work. Hold up. Yeah, so now it's randomized. Alright, cool. Why is studio buffering? Hell beats me. I don't really care. Alright, now that we've gotten the candle order, what I need is inside the room. Inside the room, I need just an indication. So once you study the painting, right, is that the order should show up kind of on this. So let's do that. I'm tempted just to use a part, kind of like this. Might not be the best for performance, but it'll probably get the job done. So kind of align it like this or something. Hell beats me. We can just use the no scale move tool thing, and then we'll just kind of make it like neon or something. And then make it mostly transparent. And then this will be like red, right? So it will show you the order, but only after you study the painting. So kind of do with that with all of these, right? Oh, let me get some music on. Forgot about that. I probably should put this in the description, but we'll do that later. Alright, so with this out of the way, we'll just select all these and put these in their own folder. Alrighty. And then this is under important. We'll put it under important because it kind of is. Folder. And then this is study painting. Let's see. Hint. And for the meantime, they're just going to be transparent. And then we'll just name them. So 1, 2. Alrighty. So we got that done. Now let's just go into our client script. And we'll pretty much just add that to that. So I'm going to define that here. Workspace import. Scroll on down. A lot of this is a pretty low priority item, so important folder dot study painting dot proximity prompt dot triggered connect function player. Let's see, if not player is equal to, or if player does not equal, I think we've defined player already, so that's what we'll do there, and then we'll pretty much just disable that. Dot enabled is false, so that's no longer enabled, and then we'll loop through the colors. I is equal to 1. Let's see, important folder. I can't spell. Study painting. I guess that's just that too. Go like that. ToString I dot color. So important folder dot study painting hints. ToString I dot color is equal to just the color. So right now we're just taking the color from the painting and just pasting it onto these. So that's good with that. Alrighty. I'm gonna take in the server just to make sure. I mean, it already worked, so. You know, if it works, it works. So, alright. Let me just test this out. So I'll just make the proximity prompt take 1 second. And we'll run it. Thanks, Roblox. So after I memorize the pattern, right, it goes away. And forgot to make them visible. But we should be able to see what exactly the pattern is just by looking at these. I'll just take a look. So if I made these like 0.9 transparency. There we go. So that's the order that's listed in the cameras. Red, brown, yellow. Pink is hard to discern from. Which one's brown? Which one is which? Alright, let me just look in the cameras just to see. Make a leaderboard? Maybe. I think that will be abused to crap. Yellow, pink, then blue. Alright. So that's blue. This is pink. If these had 0 transparency, they look a lot better. Alright, so we'll leave them like that. So then once you get all of these, you just have to swap them. The usual. Alrighty. Oh, didn't mean to swap that one. Well, back it goes. Alright, that's how we do it. I need a better color for brown. It needs to be a little bit like darker, almost. Like this color. Copy that and throw it in. Alrighty. So that's that set up. Under difficulties, right? Need to make sure to if difficulty is equal to hard, then I actually don't think the what's it called, the memorization exists in hard. You have to do it manually. So good luck with that. Alrighty, we'll say I'm gonna define the important folder in here as well. We'll just kind of replace the variables. Just close these. Perfect. Workspace, this. Important folder dot study painting dot proximity prompt dot enable is equal to false. Alrighty. Let me go finish the candle lighting. Game underscore difficulty is equal to easy, then candles. Where did I put the candles? These are under ritual assets. I should also define that folder as well. Okay, with the ritual assets, we will make the easy mode just a little bit easier. For underscore candle in ritual assets dot candles get children do candle find first child, which is a proximity prompt true. If not prompt, continue. And let's see, trigger time. I guess it'd be hold duration. Yeah, minus equals 5. Alright, so yeah, on easy mode, the lighting duration is a bit lower as well. What, these go bent again? Alright. Alright. And now I just need to actually just detect the game. Alright, we're almost done. So kind of want an indicator for this as well. Where's the tool? It's in works in replicate storage, isn't it? Okay, how many times is this song gonna be on loop? Wow, just that song and that album? I think that Windows is trolling me once again. Alright, so transparency minus equals 0, 1 or 0, 0, 5, and then weight like 0.1. Alright, let's throw this text label in here, and this is on the top, I believe. Perfect. Text label, center this thing. Get this thing centered. Kinda want it to be this messes up all the spacing, so we'll just rotate the text label instead. No shame in doing that, you know. Rotation -90. Perfect, perfect. We can just scale this bad boy. Make the background invisible, right? We'll change the font to permanent marker. Kind of make this like a light white or something. So like something like this, right? Then make it partially transparent. Write this as like 0%. Should probably move the ritual circle down just a bit. Alright, now we'll just update the pencil script to change that. Ritual circle dot surface GUI dot text label dot text is equal to the format. I think it's like this. Is it like this? I don't exactly remember how to format strings, so we'll just try some things out. Let's see, and then this is like 10.555. Perfect. So this will format the percent to the nearest whole number, and then just add a percent sign, and we'll throw in ritual circle dot transparency. It's like 1 minus ritual circle dot transparency times probably like times 100. Alright, let's try this. I get rid of the difficulty selection. Taking too much time for debugging. Still a bit too fast. I'll have to nerf it a bit more. And I also want to make the crouching a little bit better. I have some ideas for that. Huh? Negative transparency? No way. Alright, gotta fix that. Negative transparency ain't loud. If let's see, ritual circle dot transparency is equal to ritual circle or math.max. Alright, there we go. So for this, we'll do 0.9 minus this guy minus 0.1. Or I guess would it be plus? Probably plus, right? Nope, I think actually we just don't modify this. I think this works good enough. Yeah. Leave this at that. What is this transparency at? Transparency's at 2 point. Yeah, that's good. I think we have to add something here. Just so the math checks out. Not sure what. And in fact, we probably could just leave this as 1. This minus 0.1. So if we subtract 0.1, right? I love math, guys. Pay attention during your math classes, otherwise you'll end up dumb. But this is the simple stuff. So that'll be fine until you get to 0.9, at which point the transparency is 0, right? So this will be maximum of 90%. So we need to actually multiply this by times 1/9 divided by 10. So times 10/9. That's what we have to do. I'm not sure why that doesn't fade out more seamlessly, but... Alright, this is better. So that fixes that crazy math BS thing. And now we're good over here. Okay. Alright, we're set there. So, do I want... I probably don't want the candles to be moved before the... Actually, you could move the candles, it probably wouldn't matter. Let's see. We'll just have another loop here. This is very bad practice, but it's not like I really care. Bad practices doesn't mean that you shouldn't use it, because it is indeed very convenient to do some of these bad practices. A lot of second while true do loop, and it's just gonna, we're gonna be polling, so we'll just check to see. Let's see. So these are the different phases, right? I should, I guess I might do it better, but let's do I have a value? Hold up. So, replicated storage values, nope. Let's add, I don't know, just a new string value. So this is, or I guess we'll add just a folder. So, folder, inside this folder, we'll call this, let's see, stage ritual stage information values. And this is just the, so this is for the, this thing right here. The little notification and quest and what you're supposed to do. So this will be the, I guess, title. I'll just call it main and sub. Doesn't hurt to do that. And then we'll put also just a string value. Call it stage. Stage. This will just be like pencils. So this is ritual. Thank you autosave for removing that. Draw a circle. So this is what we'll do. We won't actually pull. Let's see. Ritual assets dot circle, ritual circle dot part base ritual, and we'll just, what we'll do here is get property chain signal transparency. If the transparency, oh, and then we'll just wait there. While the ritual assets ritual base ritual transparency is greater than 0, we'll just do this, and this loops to this. So let's get this folder. These functions keep on opening. Ah, the joys of Roblox IED. So local ritual stage information values, replicate storage ritual stage information values. Perfect. Let's see, that stage is equal to draw circle. Dot main is equal to, let's see, what are we gonna say? Step 1. Kind of just take what I've already wrote here. Use a pencil. Use a pencil to draw the ritual circle. I'm gonna change this to a proximity prompt. Proximity prompt. Pick up pencil. Oh, don't change the name of that. This will be pick up pencil. change this. Script.parent.click detector .proximity prompt that triggered connect function player. And we'll just kind of remove this bad boy. Move this up a bit. Perfect. Alright. So that's good, that's good. We're gonna, let's see. I'm gonna add in the instruction book. Add some more to this tutorial book. That's what we'll do. Oh, the second page. Anyways. Before we do that, I'm just gonna get the rest of this ritual done. Not sure what I'm gonna do for camera shaking, but we'll figure that later. Alright. This is stage, second stage will be light or move candles. Honestly, this is just, what's it called? Technically, you can just light the candles here. So, move the candles. Get the order from the study room. Let's see. Move the candles to the right order. Okay, anyways, we'll move the candles, right? So, honestly, move and light candles. I'm gonna condense this into one stage. Move and light. Move the right candles and light them. So, how do we want to do this? Probably just underneath the move candle function, right? I'm gonna create a local variable, so just to store the candles that are lit and the candles that are not. Probably put this in here. Alright, so we'll just insert them. Table.insert lit candles. Candle. Looks very complicated. Yeah. It's more tedious more than anything. Let's see, if number of lit candles is equal to 6, then we'll just create a signal for this. Or what do I want to do with this? Let's grab a signal. Signal, let's go to apply modules, that signal. So this will just fire after that. And then candle, wait. So we're gonna wait for the signal to fire. Once the signal fires, right, we're gonna check if number of candles, lit candles, is equal to 6. So if all the candles are lit, right, then we'll just check the order. So for the first step of doing this, right, is we want to find the root candle. So root candle will be whatever is it first in the painting. So candle order 1. Alright. And this was created here. Yep. Okay. Go into ritual assets.candles, find first child. Yes. Local, so root candle position, order, I guess what would this be? So yeah, order is equal to root candle dot order dot value. What I'm doing right now is I want it to be, so again, for hard mode, right, you won't have the fancy indicators that show you, you know, the correct spots to put the candles. So what we'll do is pretty much whatever is the first candle, right, you can go counterclockwise or clockwise. That's what I want right now. So let's find the next candle, you know? Let's see. So if let's see. I guess we'll just go through the next one. So local second candle. I don't really want to manually do this. We're probably going to be ending up using a loop. I is equal to 2. And then 6, 2. Right? Next candle is equal to whatever this, and then use I instead. I guess, yeah, so this is just next candle dot order dot value. So then we'll just say if the difference between the candle orders, right, is, so let's see, because we go 0, 1, 2, 3, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we'll say is if next candle order is equal to 6. Let's see, what do we do about this? If root candle order minus next candle order absolute value is equal to 1, or it's equal to, so if it's equal to this or it's equal to 6, then we're good. 6, then this is good. So this is condition that everything is in order. So like, again, this works again for the clockwise stuff. So if this position is equal to 5, and then this position is equal to 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And then if the other way around is also true, so 4 minus 5 is equal to -1. -1, but because we take the absolute value of it, it becomes 1 anyways. So that's set. And then if we, per se, I guess the other condition is, let's say 6 minus 1, right? Or 1 minus 6. So 6, that's 5. Alright. Okay. So these are the two valid conditions. Any other number is not good. These are valid conditions. And if the conditions are valid, root candle is equal to next candle, next candle, next candle, please. And then, let's see. I guess this would more likely just be previous candle. I'm gonna rename these to this instead. And then this will be, instead of next candle, this will just be current candle. Alright. So we'll just go with previous candle order. Previous candle order. Current candle order. Alright. So if this is good, we'll switch the things. Yep. And then, let's see. Local is in order is equal to false. Is equal to true. So then, let's see. Alright, these will switch out. Continue. Else not in order. So if they're not in order, then they're out of order. And what we'll do is simply just break the loop. Is in order is equal to false. Now outside this loop, if not is in order, then, so out of order, then the candles have to be unlit. So we'll go through all the candles. And we'll reset the lit candles. So lit candles is equal to this. And for each candle, we'll just kind of change this. Alright. For underscore candle in workspace, ritual assets dot candles, get children do. If not candle is in at all. Then continue. Pretty simple. And then we will, after this, we will continue. Ending that. Otherwise, this is in order. And the game needs to end. Alright. And then I'll actually just break the loop. We'll reverse this. Continue end. Guard clause. Perfect. Alright, we can try this out in just a second. So I'm gonna go quickly on the UI, right? I want to get this thing to update, so let's just grab this. So this is the, where is this? We'll call this the current quest. And then we'll just throw a new script under here, just so that it isn't as messy. Bind generic.bind. Let's see. Game get service replica storage dot virtual asset values dot, I will just say man, yeah, sure, that changed. We'll just give it a little weight, just so that the other ones can, in theory, update. Script.parent dot description dot text dot sub dot value. Yeah, something like this. Obviously this isn't the most beautiful thing ever, but we don't really care. And this stage. Alright. So check it out. Difficulty selection, don't really care. Need to remove the difficulty from there. Alright, okay, something didn't work here. Not that I really care. Let's see. Oh. Alright. Stage is not a valid member? Whoa, what's this? Oh. I'm stupid. Throw these into values. Okay. So that's when the AI spawns stuff. Stage, I probably should just copy this and throw this in here. So this is sub. And then, what's it called? The main is something else. Main is ritual setup. Alrighty. Pick up the pencil. Set up the ritual circle. So we're just gonna kinda, you know, draw on the floor for a while. I need to improve the crouch animation. Thankfully, Roblox added animation blending, which is, we'll see if that works pretty well. But it's a pretty interesting feature. We're drawing on the floor with the pencil, hoping that the monster don't kill us. Should have added more debugging. Don't really care though. So as soon as we get to this to 100, it should be here. Alright, move the candles into the right order and light them. Oh, hi. Where did you go? Did you go into the living room? No. Beats me where you went. And I forgot to change that. Hold up. The memorized candle thing. Where is it? I think it's in here. Somewhere down, 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 down. This one. Dots. And then this is just a part. A transparency. It's equal to 0. We got 0 transparency, and now I'll just hit up the pencil, and because I don't want to stay here forever, I'm gonna make this pencil go really fast. And I will also add a condition, just in case everybody takes a long time to load, like if you finish the game beforehand. Oh well. So let's see. Actually, this should work fine. Ritual transparency is greater than 0. Yeah, that's fine. That will work. Don't need to do anything. Okay. Alright. Ritual setup. Now we gotta check the cameras. Go to study. Memorize the pattern. Pattern's memorized. Let's go swap these candles. Let's see. Pink's already in the right position. Green needs to be moved, and alright. This guy has to be moved as well. Alright. This is not yellow. I need to switch the colors a bit more. Alright, so we're good with that. I can't stay proximity light candle. I'm not staying here forever, guys. So let's see, our hold duration is gonna be like 1. Oh, light candle. So we light 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Attempt to index nil with order. Oh crap. Alright, let's see. Where's the order located? Attempt to index nil with order. I see. So that means that we've done something wrong. So orange is a color. Which one's orange? This one's orange. I guess we're using, this is now yellow, guys. Do not care how much 89 will hate me, but that is yellow. And this brown color needs to be like darker brown still. Alright. Close out a server. Accidentally. Reopen the server, and let's get this thing good. Cool. This yellow should be like a brighter yellow. Alright, try this one more time. Okay, pick a pencil. Draw on the floor. That's that. Go in here, study. Memorize the pattern. Pattern's memorized. Exit the camera. Alright, let's see. Let's move these things in the right order. So this is blue. This goes over here. I hate Roblox colors. Alright. So these are in the correct order now. Light candle. Alright, hold duration 1. Candle. Huh. There we go. Light all of these back up. No output. Alright, heard. Not really. Shit. Oops. Oh well, I'm dead. Alright, but something didn't work. So let's find out what didn't work. Change these to plastic. Not neon works better there, but these should probably be like plastic here. Like smooth plastic or something. Yeah, the funny jump scare. Let's see. I think I did this incorrectly right here. Did something incorrectly. Let's see what the game has to tell me about things not being in order. I want to see what's not exactly in order, just to get a better grasp of what's going on. Pencil, grab, draw ritual circle. Ritual circle's done. Cameras, study, memorize pattern, exit. Change the locations of these. Move this guy to like right here. Let's see, green has to go instead of blue. Alright, now they're all on the right. Let's see, light candle. Light candle, hold duration is that. So 1, 2. The brown can be a bit lighter now. Oh, what wasn't in order? Blue, green. Stop this. Oh, I should just print out these as well. Print previous candle order, current candle order. Print those out as well, just to kind of see what's going on. And then we'll also just print out all the entire order. Pad here. So underneath, let's see. Run around in code. Print candle order. Alright. Okay, cool. We got this done, and then I was also going to change the brown color to be a little bit less dark. Alright, there we go. Probably a couple more debug tests, and then we'll be good. Hit up easy. Pick up pencil. Draw on the ground. Set. Cameras. Study. Memorize pattern. Close. Alright, let's move these candles. So grab that guy. Hard to see that brown there. That's in the incorrect position. But I'll fix it in a bit. Let's see. Red and green. Take all of these. And hold duration is now 1. Should make it just 0. I don't got all day to be here. Alright, 2 and 6. Blue, green. So yellow, blue, and green. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Whoops. That's just me not being on top of things. So I forgot to change the values. Candle 1.order.value, comma candle 2.order.value is equal to candle 2.order.value, candle 1.order.value. Whoops, forgot to change the order. That'll do it. Okay, so that's good there. Takes a little bit of debugging. What was I gonna do? That's pretty much it. Oh, move the part. So hint. We want the hint that's right here. And then kind of move this guy right to like here. Alright, there we go. Pick up pencil for the last time, hopefully. Even if it isn't the last time, I'll finish this later. Memorize the pattern, close the computer, move the candles around. Yep. Probably need to remove line of sight, because these are kind of annoying. That's a funny bug. Winning condition. There we go. Now the game has been won, guys. Alright. I'll finish this bad boy up another time, but I'll probably release at least something that can be tested soon. So stay tuned for that. I think the lobby works as well. So we're getting close to that being done. Alright, let's go hit up some Squid Game and go fix a couple things. Grab, let's see. So in the bug reports, we are fixing today the kill effects. I need to, do I have testers? I'll just be putting the link in probably like the Squid Game and Kingerman Creation Discords. So if you guys want to test, it will be pretty much an open test. Alright, let's go to Squid Game games. We want the effects. I think it has to do something with the fact that when we pour the data, we change the name. Skin equip signal. Yeah, I made Squid Game. The big one. 1.2 billion visits. Kinda cool. Alright, where's the data handler? Potentially. What will we doing? So, kill effects. Equipped is kill effect. Alright. We're gonna go hop into where the pretty much the equipped thing is handled. Equipped. Data handler. That's not important. Might be under here. Okay. Let's just print out the previously equipped dot kill effect. Previously equipped. Let's see. Previously equipped. Nothing. Alright. Do I just not have anything equipped? That could be it. Either that or potentially I just forgot to implement. Alright. Okay. Skin handler. Print default skin type. Alright. I guess. What was that? Skin type kill effect, right? So default. What do we got? There we go. Kill effect. That's where we're going. That's where the little funny problem is happening. So that's returning. Okay. So we got that now. Okay. Cool. Alright, now we've equipped that. Let's try hopping into this game. Just seeing if it shows up. Okay, that's good. Alright. That is fixed. So... So we can just discard this since the lobby issue. And we can probably just publish this. Why do I have any skins to just be given away right now? What's it called? I think we have the camo or whatever. That just is there. If I can find it. Skins. V2. Saucy, what's that skin called? Well, I think I have it in my inventory. The one I randomly found and gave on stream last time. Bright Water, that's what it's called. Yep. Oh well, that's nice. I wonder if the rest of these aren't actually implemented. Beats me. Yeah, we don't talk about the Among Us skin. That's Entity's thing. Because I don't have an actual image for him, so that's what he gets. Alright, let me go create this code. So we got bright water. Skin. Give bright water. There's how you do it. And we'll call the code some streaming. Some random stream in June 2023. That's your code, guys. There's like maybe like 250 copies or something. And we'll make it redeemable for, let's see, probably like 2 weeks or so. Maybe 4 weeks. We'll make it available for a month. I think that's a month, right? 60 times 24 times like 28, that's like 4,000 something. Alright, I'll release that. Very long name, yeah. I'll post it in chat too.
I want to trade for Entity's new skin. I really like it, but there's only one copy, and he doesn't trade it right now.
Alright. Yeah, you know, there's only one copy and he ain't gonna give it away. If he gives it away, I'm gonna laugh, cause... Or if he gets
Just
scammed.
some like random noob has like a bit, or has like an Among Us like PNG in their inventory.
Exactly. Alright, this is good enough. We'll create the code. 200 copies. There we go. Create code. Let's see. The code is
From
in the
random
chat.
stream in June.
Alright, let's try redeeming it. Because why not? Confirm. I redeemed the bright water skin, guys. Let's go. 2 bright waters now. Yeah, cool. Random skin that I found, so that's that. Alright, outside of this, I will be redoing the leaderboard soon, since I know it's kind of buggy and has a literal memory leak inside of it. We don't talk about that, but what I'm gonna do is just make it where it takes longer for the leaderboard to initiate. That's the band-aid fix for now, guys. Actually, this has to be probably like right here, right? Yeah, band-aid fix. Alright. Band-aid fix for the leaderboard. It has to be redone. And the way you know it has to be redone is just by looking at how many tabs there are. This thing, I must have been like drunk while coding this. Even though I don't drink. But like, that's a lot of tabs. This is not how you write code. So, whatever. It is what it is. We'll just publish this for now. So that's the patch for the leaderboard. Hopefully, for now. And yeah. Pretty much it, so... Kill effects are good. That was good. Alright. Things be good. Things be good. Oh, there's a visual bug. Visual bug on the... What's it called? So under the shop. Let me just change that as well. Shop. We'll hit up the shop right here, right? Just a visual bug here. I'm gonna remove the presents since right now we're not having presents. But this is 250. Alright, that's good enough. Good enough. Let me hide this thing again. Yeah, the RPG skin is gonna be off sale soon. As soon as 89 finishes whatever else. I think he has a new banner and stuff. Maybe hit up a new studio. Let's see. Where's that place? Alright. So yeah, underneath this place again. Where is the skin that he put? Game's loading. There it is. So yeah, this will be getting implemented soon, once whatever an image gets placed in and we get, you know, banner rendered. So that and the summer event will also be coming in soon, so I have the UI, I believe I have the UI for that. Hopefully I have the UI for that. But that'll be soon. That'll be soon. Alright. I think I'll close out this for now. The boomboxes that will never be implemented, guys. That is something that I do need, is a suggestion for what to replace boomboxes, because we were gonna implement that and then Roblox audio update came around and practically ruined it, so we'll replace it with something else, but we haven't decided what that something else is yet. Who knows? Alright. Trail crates. Well, we already got a section for trails. You can still do boom boxes. Yeah, you can do boom boxes, but all you have access to is the APM library, so it's not as cool. We need something else, Saucy. So right here where it says boom boxes, we'll have to have an entirely different thing. I was thinking about maybe like the chat tags or something, but who knows? We'll probably do... What else do we have? Perks? Maybe perks? Who knows? Perks was on the idea list of things to potentially do. But haven't got it. But you know, I think that idea got scratched because of Const's departure from the Squid Game community. But yeah. Oh, also something that's gonna be coming up is we're gonna switch out this Squid Game UGC with something else. So stay tuned for that. Alright, this is all set. I think that's mostly all I'm gonna do today. For development, I might play a little bit of Gemcraft. Pro and parkour, I'm terrible at parkour. Absolutely terrible. There's people who are crazy good at it. Let me finish this up. I just want to make sure the lobbies work. Because if they do, I can just release the testing or something. I'll just... Where's the thing? Alright, let's finish this up. So we can release this at least. These are all playing and looped for some reason. These probably need to be removed, so they don't have the extra sound. Okay. Anchor these. Zone. I'll have to think about this. But I do need some sort of indicator to show how many players are in, and then indicator for time left. is the script set up for this? To do one door animation. Heard. It isn't fully completed. Let's go throw some things in here. So part, throw this down, kind of like this. Move this like that. This up, a little bit over, into the thing. Transparent true. Can collide, false, anchored true. And then put a surface GUI in here. Text label. Kind of rotate this around. There you go. Then make the transparency on this 0. Alright, and then this is just called exit. And we'll kind of fade this out as well. So text transparency. Oops, that's 1. It's like 0.7 or something, right? And make this like marker, because we've been using marker pretty much everywhere else. Maybe the text color can be red. Nah, we'll keep it at black. Okay. So we got this, and we can also take the surface GUI and make this just like 125, just to make it look better. What's this game? This is gonna be a little horror game that we're gonna release. This is just a lobby. If I recall, to exit it, you just jump through. Nope. Where was the exit? Roblox is a little bit buggy too. We love Roblox. You know, game with similar concept. Player leave teleport to. Where's the leave part? Teleport to. Alright. Huh. This ain't even in the thing. Damn. 89's really like hurting me internally. Alright, throw this in here and then we'll just have a part or something that allows you to leave. Something like this kind of. And down, up. Rotate it. Take off the axis. Go like that, and then this will just be leave. Alright. Alright. Leave that touch, connect function. Hit. Same thing kind of as this. If not player, oh, you don't need this check. If not this, then return table.remove. Table.find players in zone player. So we just remove it from the table, and then this one is leave teleport to, right? And then this bad boy is like that. Transition. So let's hop into the transition client. Oh. Okay. That's nothing too special. So we'll just try this one more time. When you help people, how much payment? Like, if I'm developing on the game, I usually take percentage, and it always varies depending on how much work, you know, I think it could be, and what the game concept is, and who else is on the team and stuff. But, yeah. In general, if you ask questions... Oh yeah. Cool. Why doesn't this work? I hate this. I love Roblox. Fix this. Alright, leaved. If not character. If not player, that's fine. If not tabletop, fine. What do you like? What is this? What's going on here, guys? It's probably just like a player debounce, local player debounce. Same thing here. Oh, I know what I did. Hold up. This guy needs can touch true. There we go. Perfect, perfect. And then let's see. We'll just leave that as nil. And go back to the client. If, let's see, camera C-frame, then else current camera dot camera type is random camera type dot custom current camera dot, camera subject is equal to player, a character here, nope, player, there we go. No puzzles, there are a little bit of puzzles, but there's not too much in here yet. Whoa. Thank you, Roblox. Loading off into the space. All because Roblox is doing funny things again. Why? Beats me what happened there. Floating into space, guys. This entire thing is so buggy. Whoa. I never signed up for the bugginess. I don't want jump power. That probably would help fix things. Alright, well, that's a good note to self. Jump power is absolutely busted when using the... Okay. When using the stupid thing. Cool. Alright, see ya. Okay, let's go to... I think it's in starter player, actually. Nope. I think you insert a humanoid in starter player. That's what you do. Use jump height instead. And... let's see. Perfect. You're kind of bouncy in here. But that's okay. Alright, and this is going to be our kind of lobby thing. Kind of want like a little... I need something on top of this. I told 89 to make something in front of here, and he didn't listen to me, so... I guess I'll just have to make it instead. Actually, I'm gonna summon him, just to kind of get him to do this. I need... like... something, so this will be like anchor true or something, right? Then I kind of need like almost like a paper texture, you know? So like something like this, you know? To give it that, you know, picture feeling. Got a broken life on the roof. Save that for the game. This is just the lobby, you know? Oh, look at this single picture frame. That's kind of cool. Perfect. And then this one's group one. Perfect, perfect, perfect. These are all anchored. Yep. We should add cushions to the seat. I'm gonna tell him to do that right now. Hold up. Snipping tool. Add seats to this here, please. Thank you. Yep, Roblox transparency. And entirely different Roblox bug. Leave teleport to. Alrighty. Cool. Good enough. Alrighty. So with that, we can add just the final touches. So what I need is like just a timer. So we'll just kind of copy this bad boy right here. And then I do want to actually use increments for this, just to kind of align this up. Alright, so this will be player UI. Alright. And here, this will be like a white or something, right? And it will be kind of like 0. then this is something like that, you know. Throw this right here, throw this up just a bit like this. Time left. You know what would really be cool if you had like a, what's it called, like a clock in here, and the clock just goes down slowly. We could do broken walls, but again, no need to do this yet. Again, the horror game is, what's it called? You want to leave room for the lore. So that's a future thing, you know. Anyways, so time left, max time left. I actually will do like 20 instead. I don't, well, 30. 30 so people can, you know, get their things together. Text transparency of like 0.4, something like that, and that's pretty good. And we'll do 0.4 over here as well. Alright, let's have these update player count UI, and then this will be time left UI. Get these updated in the server. Okay, so for the wild true do loop, if number of players in zone is equal to, is less than or equal to 0, then put the weight in front. Alright, see ya. Put the weight in front, and we'll say, let's define these as well. Can I copy the names? Same thing for this other one. Alright, so dot text label dot text is equal to, let's see, number of players in zone divided by max players dot value. Get that. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is just a number. Noted. Alright, so max players, right? Players. Perfect, like that. Let's see, so this guy, text label dot text is equal to that. Alright. And then we'll say time left. Did I not define that value? Nope. Time left int value. Time left that value. Alright. Time left dot value minus equals 1. And then this text label should just be time left out value. Alright, so that's the clock working. Text for the player automatically gets done. If time left dot value is equal to 0 or is less than equal to 0, then not players, we'll just kind of do let's see. Because of the TP bug. Yeah, that will be fallback. I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. I'm gonna finish this up and get something released. Alright. Finish the bad boy up and finish this. So, in here, timer value is less than 0. Players in zone is equal to this. Eventually. Grab teleport service. Let's see. Let me search this up. Oops, wrong one. Go back. Private reserve server. Really quickly. Let's see. Teleport service. Reserve server. Alright. Copy this guy. And then this will return that code, yep. Alright. Teleport service. Teleport. Async. This guy. Let's see. Players in zone. Local, or what is it? Teleport service, teleport async rootbacks. Quickly get up that, since hell beats me what teleport asyncs. You have, let's see, in teleport async you have teleport options. Is that new? Is that something new? Teleport options? Nope. I really cannot be bothered to do this. Teleport service, teleport to private server. Oh well. We'll just use this instead. Herd. Let's see, place ID. Get one here. Reserve server code. And then players in zone. Alright. Good enough. Pcal function. Yep. Time left dot value is equal to max time left. So we'll just reset this. And we're good. And we'll update this as well. Since it's probably better than alright. And that's good. So last thing we need to do is check when if a player leaves, right? And then this is probably set. So let's try it out. Compare a number and string. Whoops. Cancel. Max players. Whoops. Is max players an int value? It is. Let's see what I did here. Ah. Yep, pesky thing. So do this instead. There we go. Okay, that's looking good. Not sure why the time thing doesn't disappear. Oh. That's why. And now we'll just copy this and throw all of these into everywhere. I mean, after you code for a while, there's patterns that you can easily pick up on. So this is one zone, and now we're gonna move this over here to a different zone. Yep. Let's see. This secondary door I need to get rid of. Bye-bye door. This door gotta go. And now let's grab, let's see, this. Inside, outside, inside, and then we want to grab these parts and kind of just scoot them over to the wall. Something like this. And this is maybe where we'll just kind of freehand it. That's probably good enough. Teleport 2, so this guy is probably fine. Alright. And let's see. This guy is the teleport to, yep. Alright. That's set. Countdowns are good. And that's the second zone. Let me rename these ones as well. Inside. Outside. Alright. Copy the zone once again. Duplicate this guy and rotate it twice. Move it over here. Move it over here. Alright. Yeah, this is gonna be just a bit tricky. Try to line it up as best you can, but there's no official increment in here, so that's probably good enough. Alright, another zone. So grab the camera parts again. So where's that camera position? Put this right here. Take that. Move these. Kind of slide these to the wall. Alright. and then take this move brick and kind of put it right here. This guy should be, this is a 1 player, and then max time left is like 5. Or we'll do 6. Alright. And then this one, yeah, we'll do 4 players for both these. This one will be like 3 players or something. These are 4. Duplicate this guy. Kind of shift it over to like right here. Line the doors up as best I can. Delete this door. Alright, cool. Delete that door. That's set, and now we just grab, where's that camera part? Are all the cameras not centered? Or is it just because of this one? Or am I just looking at it wrong? Nope, they're all slightly off center, so let's go center these. Or maybe it's just a matter of perspective. Hell, beats me. That looks pretty centered. Oh, I guess, I don't know. That's probably good enough. If it's good enough, it's good enough. That's what we'll go with. Good enough. Alright, see you, Saucy. This guy's probably good enough here. Alright, and then 1 giant room. This is 3. Max players is 3. Max time left is 30. And 30. Alright. Give this last one. So we copy this one more time, duplicate, and shift it all the way over to here. And then this is the big server. So line these up again. Alright. That's pretty centered. This is mostly centered as well. That's good enough. Grab this. Door, delete door. Are there just 2 doors, or did I delete something? Did I delete something I shouldn't have? Alright. Turn off move again, and slide this guy right here. I'll have to check that there's no more clipping. I just realized that. Alright. Let's grab these 2 and just kind of move them out just a bit. Same, looks like that's good. That's fine. That's fine. Alright. And these are sets. So let me just change this guy. This is like 6. 6 players, and let's just, I don't know, hop in and see what's popping. 4 4 1 3. Alright, that's fine. I'll need to remove the base plate. Can't collide. Nope, nope, nope. And transparency 1. Honestly, just delete it. What kind of game is this? This is just the lobby for a... We're making a horror game. Let's see. How do I prevent the issues when you teleport? There isn't really a great thing. Maybe platform standing the character? That's an option. That probably would work. Or I guess maybe if you anchor the humanoid root part. Humanoid root part anchored, and then once you've changed their position, is equal to false. I think that's what you go with. I think, but we'll try it and see if it works. Alright, see you, television. Alright. Definitely didn't work. Potentially it's within the transition then. So maybe not this, but past that delay 0.03 function. Then do the camera stuff in here. And don't tween it on. Yeah, beats me. We get jettisoned to space. That's fun. Not sure what we're gonna have to do about this, but anchored is equal to true. Wait, we'll just wait like 0.5. Because it's only when you come out. Oddly enough. Something wrong with the scaling. Let's see. We love Roblox, guys. Wowzers. We get flung. Let's see, what else could we potentially try? We could try changing humanoid walk speed is equal to 0. Let's see. So instead of anchoring it, we just set the walk speed to equal to 0, and then walk speed is equal to 16 again. And they leave. So, and then this one is 8. Hey, I think that fixes it. That doesn't. Ooh. Okay. So you practically do just have to platform stand them. Or prevent them from jumping and stuff. Noted, noted. Roblox. Let's see, character.jump power. Or jump height. Jump height, set that to 0, then set that to 3.6, and or this is so this is inside. Alright, and that fixes the funny bugs that Roblox is having. Maybe one day they'll fix these. Probably not. Knowing Roblox, but Alright, no more flinging around, and I think we're pretty set. Oh, that didn't work entirely. Now I broke something. What'd I break? Let's see, when you teleport in, right? Is jump high, let's see. Did I spell that wrong? Nope. Oh. Whoops. Jump height like that. Cool. 3.6. 3.6. And same thing down here. 7.2. 0. Alright. Set that, that's good. This is totally not centered. That's the one thing that's gonna murder me. The fact that these things aren't centered. They look kinda centered, but they're not. That's good enough. Alright. That's fine, that's fine. So okay, so now we got the teleporting stuff working. Did I not peek out? I did peek out this. Okay, whatever. Game settings, security. Throw these on. Just to test to make sure everything probably works or something. Change force field duration to 0. Oh, that needs to be peak held as well. Alright. Heard. Reserve server for this place ID. Just to confirm, it's the same place ID. Okay. Alright. And that's pretty much that for the lobby. I think we're pretty good. Let me publish this. And we'll leave it at that. Let's see. Rename this guy's game and head back over here. Yeah, I know. It's just generally it's a little bit faster to just scan it. Regex searching is pretty powerful. Let's see. We're gonna go quickly try everything. I'm gonna try everything with all the code enabled. So we want the intro on, right? Intro should be on, and this looks like it's good. Hold up, what's this? Screw the parent. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. So that looks about right. Sprint looks... I don't think we're using even sprint, so I'm gonna disable that. I do have to redo the crouch animation, but let's just try hopping into game and seeing if this works. Okay, that's a bit too fast. Intro should be a little bit more delayed. Alright. We'll wait an extra 25 players. Print game loop start. It's fine. Underneath the intro. Intro should wait a bit, so after that, wait 5 or so, maybe like 6, or like 8. 8 should be fine. And then under difficulty voting, we just need to kind of speed up this process. So when the voting ends, we're gonna wait like 2.5 instead. Wait 6 like that. Alright, that's probably fine. Okay. What's going on with the intro? Too. Yeah, I will. I'll use what's it called, the in-game Roblox testing suite. So like under here, test. You can start a server. Oh shoot. Okay. So this. Alright, this should be outside of here. That's okay. And then the weight should be inside of here. There we go. That's what's going on. But weight's like 6. Alright. So the intro looks like it's working fine. There needs to be some ambience in the room. Probably just rain. Okay, rain. Where the frick is the rain? I'll just take it from this camera. Cameras, this art room, copy this guy, and throw it in here. So, cheesy hack, let's see. If we're about there, right, and we move maybe like 15 studs over here. So we'll say like 30. 30 is the good stuff. Okay. So this is just for sound, can't collide false, anchor true. Put it into this, and this is just room sound. Scroll back up. This is, what is this? Sounds? Probably, but we'll just kind of put this in important. Just so that we don't forget where it is. Roll max distance is 31 or 35. Roll off min distance 35. Linear, because we don't really want it to roll off at all. What is this? Equalizer sound effect. This could be a little bit quieter. I don't like this loop. Let's see. Let's find a different one. We go into this won't conflict, right? Nah, it's probably far enough. Yeah, it's probably far enough. Oh, we'll reduce the sound distance just a bit. What is it called? We need a rain loop sound. So just go toolbox. Go to audio, rain loop. Yeah, what's it called? Motivation's hard to come by, you know? You're gonna have swings where you're gonna be you know, you're gonna have high motivation, then you're gonna have low motivation. But when you can get around to developing, I usually always just, you know, develop for as long as possible. Cause you know, you gotta ride the wave and then pretty much just take a break when you're, you know, not motivated. Generally how I see it. This one's long enough. I think this will be good. Alright, let's see. Now when we play this thing should... I will have to change this. Oh, no cheese, no cheese. I need to put this underneath a UI instead. Ideally, this goes kind of under the camera system. This is just rain. So we'll just say... local rain sound. Script.parent.rain. So we want just rain sound play. So when you go into the cameras, right? Volume 0, play. I'll save the previous volume there. Rain sounds to attribute, volume, and set the previous volume to an attribute. Just so that I can retrieve it later when I close the thing. Rain sound, or tween service. I'll just copy the tween. Copy, paste. 0 is rain sound, the attribute, volume, and also the additional condition when you die. Perfect. So that means the sound should be good. Alright, after this, do a little quick multiplayer test, and then we'll be set. the volume is not disappearing. Gotta love it. Let's see. What do we got here? Alright. So the rain sound is going to 0. Okay. I guess we'll just try it again. Turning off the intro. Click run service. Game, run service. And return. Really quickly try this and see what could be causing it. I forgot to remove that thing. Where's that thing? No? Doesn't exist? Maybe I did remove it. Alright, move on over. Oh, now it decided to work. Any idea when the game will be available for testing? Probably tonight, and I'm probably not going to turn on text-to-speech. Alright, that's it. Let's do a quick 2-player test. Alright, server's up. Okay, when you have multiple players, okay, why did it take so long to vote? Beats me. Oh, the game load took so long to load. That may be a problem. Change the voting time to 30 seconds. That's what we'll do. You should probably just report it in a Discord channel. Alright, so voting. Did I define a variable for voting? No. It's hard-coded somewhere in here. Voting values, time left. Wow, I used the value instead. Alright. Time left, 30. Instead of 15. That solves that problem. And we'll be good. Alright. I was gonna do a couple last little fixes. So first of all, if game get service run service is studio, then else we just need to do the normal amount, which I think is 0.002. Alright, so that's for the pencil. The next thing I need to do is change this to game get service. Alright. I also wanted to change in the server the amount of time you have to react. So this is, let's see, difficulty is equal to easy, and we'll say like 4 game difficulty with medium, and 3 or game difficulty. Nope, I just wanted down one. For the hard. And 2. Okay, so that's fine there. I think I have something. Yep, something similar down there. So you have less time to react if the monster's in the room like that. We had a sound, I believe, for the monster being inside the room. So let me go find that as well. Closet door, monster outside the closet. That sounds like great. server. Tween service create workspace dot monster outside the closet tween info.new 2 volume is equal to 0.36 play workspace dot monster. And then after that is we turn it to 0. Play that, return it to 0. Return to 0. All right. And then wait 1 here. Cool. That's set correctly, so monster has you have less time to react, and we have the volume in there. We got sound effects. That's set as well. Closet's already fine. I guess we just need a win. So when you win, right? What do we want for winning? Gotta think of some animation. Anyways, we'll just, what's it called? Alright, then just, I guess we'll end the server, right? So, then after all this, game running is equal to false. Workspace. So just set that there. Just play that, and we'll leave kind of just a placeholder for now, just so we can get some testing in. Remote event, and then this is game over. All right. Game remotes, game over, fire all clients, win. Do I use this transition in here? I don't think I even do. Oh, well, I mean, I can make use of it. So just kind of throw this out like that. And we'll make this instead white. Remotes. I don't have remotes. Oh, I do have remotes. Remote. Oh, I don't even need to do this. That game over. Let's see. Game over remote on client event. And then just kind of make this visible, right? This will be like ZNX5 1. That's incorrect, but okay. My eyes are burning. Turn that off. I'll put this in a different UI entirely. Alright. Strange UI. I don't like how there's so many different UIs, but whatever. Oh well. I'll fix it later. That's the important thing. When you're scripting, script fast. And you can fix the problems later, but you need to get things done, because if you don't get things done, then you become less motivated and the project will most likely die out over time. Alright, this is game over. Throw this in here, throw this in here, throw a local script in here. This thing should be at z-index display order like 9 million or something. Local replicated storage game. Alright. Perfect. Condition. String. Alright. And we'll grab tween service as well. Tween service. Create. Script.parent. Transition. Tween info.new. Let's see. Alright. Game over, or Mo is not a valid member. Oh. It is called game over. Oops. Anyways, for now I'll just leave it as a placeholder. And we'll just say, we'll put a little text label in here as well. Text label. Center this. Wow, UI design. Thank you. Oop. Text scaled. Chapter 2 coming soon. Marker. Permanent marker. I know, I am. So transition visible, we'll have to make transition visible true as well, and delete that. So script.parent.transition.visible is true. For, I guess we would say, for letter in string .gsub gmatch chapter 2 coming soon period do wait script.parent.transition.text dot equals letter. Alright. 5, and then grab teleport service. Local teleport service is equal to game, get service, teleport service. Teleport service. Teleport async. Back to the main hub. Oops. Back to this one, copy ID, flop this. Let's see. Player, or game.player is that local player. And nothing else needed. We're good. Set. Done. So that's for the winning stuff. And that's pretty good. Alrighty. I think that's all we really need for this game. Let me just publish this place. I think I did say I was gonna redo the crouch animation, but nah, we won't. Actually, I will. I lied. I'm gonna redo that real quick. So R15 block avatar. Grab this guy. Turn this back at 1 stud, please. Alright. We're gonna grab our animation editor, the trusty Roblox animation editor. Import this clip. So from Roblox, and then where's the... Is it this one? Is this the crouch? Oh no. That definitely is not crouch. I have no clue what that is. Let's go under Kingerman Creations. Idle crouch. Okay. I think it's this one. Alright, I don't really care about this, but it does need to be lower. So we can just scoot this down here lower. Do you have any plans of what we're gonna do for Season 2? Well, we don't know what's in Season 2 for Squid Game yet, so how are we supposed to know what to do? And in fact, we're gonna set animation priority as core. I want to test this out. Publish to Roblox under Kingerman Creations. Override existing asset. Kingerman Creations. Idle crouch. So we got that one, and then let's import the other one. Kingerman Creations idle walk. Oh, I forgot to grab that other one. Freaking hell. Save as idle walk. Then we're gonna import the other one again. Load imported animation. Oh, this is it. Wow. Load idle walk. So we need to kind of like get this bad boy down here. Kind of mid animation. Actually, really mid animation. But I don't really care. It's good enough. I'm gonna try setting the animation priority to core and see what happens. Alrighty. Override existing asset. Then Kingerman Creations idle walk. Okay. And now we can kind of hide this rig over here and just kind of like pretend that this actually doesn't exist. Pop. 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 I don't need the accessory fitting tool. I don't have it open. It will probably be separate game mode, yeah. Oh, do they use like idle as their track? Beats me. Wow. I can't believe it. Underneath core there's some wonky dependencies right here. I don't need these though. I don't think I even used these once. Oh. I don't believe I need these. Oh, I don't think I need these, so I'll just kind of like... You know, sometimes you just don't think you need them. So, it's gone. Simple as that, simple as that. Don't need it, you don't need it. Hopefully it doesn't come back to bite you in the ass, but... Alright. Cool. Crouch animation. Alright, perfect. Alright, game will be... I'm gonna publish this, so this is good enough. Good enough for getting testers in, so let me publish this up and I think we're good to go. Alright. You know, I think the stream has been running for a few hours. If you're in either the Kingerman Creations Discord or the Squid Game Discords, I'll be posting the links into shouts and some, you know, announcements or something like that. So either of those Discords, you'll be able to get that. I'll link to Kingerman Creations. How did we come up with Kingerman? Beats me. I came up with it, what is that, 8 years ago now? So, do I remember how I came up with it? Nope. All I know is that, man, it's a really good username. I'll give myself props for that one, you know? Pretty good, pretty good. Okay. Here's a link to the Kingerman Creations Discord. You probably are already in it, but if not, that's that. And I guess I will quickly release another random Squid Game code, and then we'll dip for now. Let's see. That's my code goes. Brr. And you'll have 250 copies. 200 copies. 150 copies. There's only 3 people watching still. 100 copies. Alright. For anyone who's still around. And that's that. Alright. I'll release the game and we'll let you guys know. Thanks for sticking around the stream. And we'll see you guys later. Or in some other stream. Alright. Peace out, guys.